The lavish and scandalous life of King Charles II, King Charles II of England, known as the Merry Monarch, reigned from 1660 to 1685, restoring the monarchy after years of Puritan rule. His lifestyle stood in stark contrast to the austerity of Oliver Cromwell's era. Charles loved pleasure, art, fashion, and entertainment, and he made his court reflect that love. He was deeply charismatic, often seen walking through London without a guard, laughing with citizens. Yet behind the charm was a man who indulged in lavish feasts, gambling, and constant celebration. His court was full of artists, poets, and musicians. He was a great patron of the Royal Society, supporting scientific minds like Isaac Newton and Robert Hooke. But Charles II was also notorious for his romantic affairs. He had no legitimate children with his wife, Queen Catherine of Braganza, but fathered at least 12 illegitimate children with various mistresses. Women like Barbara Palmer and Nell Gwynn became famous just for being close to him. Despite his extravagance, Charles was politically shrewd. He navigated religious tension between Catholics and Protestants, sometimes secretly negotiating with France to secure funds in return for political support. His daily routine often began late, filled with long breakfasts, hunting, theater, and evening banquets. Yet he was also deeply involved in governance, attending council meetings and reading state papers late into the night.